Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And to this video we're going to talk about how to repost a video on TikTok. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application, and if you like any video and want to repost it, here is how to do it. As first step, tap here at the bottom. Then as you can see here, the option of repost. Simply tap on it. And this is it. You reposted. Thanks for watching. See ya.